Good evening, everybody. I found in this article using fun activities to improve listening skill by Hannah Handiani in the Journal of English as a Foreign Language to explain the qualitative methodology using in this article. That is focusing especially in problems. Those are the first problem is that the most of the students' score on listening tests are still under the minimum passing criteria. The second problem focuses that the most students are not very enthusiastic listening activities. And the third problem, it is difficult for the student to understand native speech in a type recorder. One technique that is considered useful in this article is create a relaxed and pleasant atmosphere in the classroom and interesting for the learners. That is by the use one of fun activities, which is games. Games, in this article explain that games may help learners develop the ability to work in group, to cooperate, and to complete some recent research studies. Use of games in ESL curriculum requires careful planning, designing, and execution. Games should not be used as icebreakers of time fillers only. They should be used as part of the instructional designs. Games should be seen as used as motivational tools. This research used fun activity in the form of games which consist of tic-tac games, running dictation game, and whispering game in listening class. The method. The research design of this study was classroom action research, which focused on a particular group of students in certain classroom. The classroom action research employed in this study following Kent and MC Choward's model. Each cycle consists of 4 stages. First one is planning, the second implementing, the third is observing, and fourth reflecting. Based on the research finding, it was concluded that the implementation of games in teaching listening comprehension could improve the student listening ability. The steps of the 3 games are as follows. Tic-tac-toe games is the first one. To play this game is showing the picture and giving some questions related to the picture. The second step is writing some words related to the topic on the whiteboard and reading the words, then asking the students to repeat. The third step is telling the student how to play tic-tac games and also the ruler game. After that, the teacher divides the class into teams, and each team chooses a number from the grids. Group A should answer. Sixth step, running the session game, showing the picture and giving some questions related to the picture. 7, writing some words related to the topic on the whiteboard and reading the word and asking the students to repeat. As 8 step, telling to students how to play running, the session game, and also the rule of the game. A 9th step, finding some short sentences and write. Then the teacher divided the students into some groups, and all of the students in a group make a line. At 11th step, if student in each group run to the tree, read the sentence, remember it, run back to their group. The 12th step, after writing on the paper, students give the paper to the student 3. 13th step is whispering game, showing the picture and giving some questions related to the picture. At 14th step, writing some words relating to the topic on the whiteboard, reading the words, and asking the students to repeat. At 15th step, telling to the students how to play whispering game and also rule of the game. In 16th step, finding some short sentences and writing sentences in a paper, then copies it by the numbers on the group. At 17th step, dividing the students in some group. Each group must choose one person to write down on a text to be a writing and one person to be running, then all the students in each group to make one. Finally, the students one in each group read the sentence. In the process of game, the students were activated, and the game also motivated the students to read harder. The implementation of this game gives the students challenges to improve their listening skill when they dictate the sentences of the text to their group mates. It was proved by the result of the research in which the game was effective in listening class and the student listening achievements were improved. Okay, that is, thank you to listen me and to watch my video.